वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। क्वेश्चन बैंक फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक सोल्व। चैप्टर नंबर 3 है डीप वाटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मिसएडवेंचर दैट विलियम डगलस स्पीक अबाउट। आंसर है विलियम ओ डगलस हैड जस्ट learned swimming one day. An 18-year-old big bruiser picked him up and tossed him into the 9 feet deep end of the YMCA pool. He hit the water surface in a sitting position. He swallowed water and went at once to the bottom. He nearly died in this misadventure. Question number second है, what were the series of emotion and fear that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool? What plans did he make to come to the surface? Answer है Douglas was frightened when he was thrown into the pool. However, he was not frightened out of his wits. While sinking down, he made a plan. He would make a big jump. His feet hit the bottom, he would come to the surface like a cork, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool. Question number 3 है, how did experience affect him? This experience revived his aversion to water. He shook and cried when he lay on his bed. He could not eat that night. For many days there was a haunting fear in his heart. The slight exertion upset him, making him oddly in the knees and sick to his stomach. He never went back to the pool. He feared water and avoided the whenever he could. इसके बाद है think as you read. Question number first, why was Douglas determined to get fear of water? Most important question है, कई बार पूछ चुका है एग्जाम्पल। आंसर है his fear of water ruined his fishing trips. It deprived him of the joy of canoeing, boating, and swimming. Douglas used every way he knew to overcome this fear. He had developed since childhood. Even as an adult, it held him firmly in its grip. He determined to get an instructor and learn swimming to get over this fear of water. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, हाउ डिड द इंस्ट्रक्टर बिल्ड द स्विमर आउट ऑफ डगलस। मतलब इंस्ट्रक्टर जो था उसने स्विमर के रूप में डगलस को कैसे बनाया। उसका आंसर है द इंस्ट्रक्टर बिल्ड द स्विमर आउट ऑफ डगलस पीस बाय पीस, मतलब टुकड़ों में बनाया। फॉर 3 months ही हेल्ड हिम हाई ऑन अ रोप अटैच्ड to his belt. He went back and forth across the pool. Panic seized the author every time the instructor taught Douglas to put his face underwater and exhale, and to raise his nose and inhale. Then Douglas had to kick with his legs for many weeks till this relaxed. After 7th month, the instructor told him to swim the length of the pool. Question number 3 है, how did Douglas make sure that he conquered to all terror? Douglas still Douglas still felt terror-stricken when he was alone in the pool. The remains of the old terror would return, but he would revoke it and go for another length of the pool. He was still not satisfied, so he went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, dived off a dock at Trix Island, and swam 2 miles across the lake. He had his residual doubts, so he went to Made Glacier, divide into warm lake, and swam across to other shore and back. Thus he made sure that he had conquered to old terror. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, हाउ डिड डगलस ओवरकम हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर। व्हेन डगलस, इसका आंसर है व्हेन डगलस ग्रेव अप ही टुक द हेल्प ऑफ एन इंस्ट्रक्टर टू लर्न स्विमिंग. हिज ट्रेनिंग went and from October to April. For 3 months he was taken across the pool with the help of a rope. As he went under, terror filled him and his legs froze. The instructor taught him to exhale underwater and inhale through raised nose. He made him kick his legs to make them relax. Then he asked him to swim. He continued swimming from April to July. Still, all terror had not left. He swam 2 miles across Lake Wentworth and the whole length to the shore and back of Farm Lake. Then he overcome his fear of water. More questions solved. इनमें से आपको हर बार क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलेंगे, मतलब लास्ट ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर उठा के देख लेना, 100% क्वेश्चन यहीं से आते हैं। सो आप लास्ट तक वीडियो ज़रूर देखना। मैं जितने भी क्वेश्चन लाता हूँ पूरे इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हेन डिड डगलस डिसाइड टू लर्न स्विमिंग, मतलब डगलस ने क्यों निश्चय किया कि वह तैरना सीखेगा। वाट ऑप्शन वर अवेलेबल टू हिम टू स्विम इन, विच वन डिड ही चूज एंड व्हाई। इसमें 3 क्वेश्चन है, तीनों के आंसर एक ही है। आंसर है डगलस वाज 10 और 11 ईयर ओल्ड व्हेन ही डिसाइडेड टू लर्न स्विमिंग। ही कुड स्विम इन द याकिमा रिवर ऑफ और द YMCA pool at Yakima. The Yakima River was dangerous. Many persons had drowned in it, so he chose the YMCA pool. It was considered safe. ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड है, विच फैक्टर लेड डगलस टू डिसाइड इन फेवर ऑफ द YMCA pool। इसका आंसर है द YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 to 3 feet deep at the shallow and it was 9 feet deep at the other. Moreover, the drop was gradual. The Yakima River was treacherous and had drowned many, so he decided in favor of the YMCA pool. Question number third है, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it, says Douglas. When did he start having this aversion and how? The aversion started when Douglas was 3 or 4 years old. His father had taken him to beach in California. They were standing together in the surf. He had held his father tightly. Even then the waves knocked him down and swept over him. He was buried in water. His breath was gone. He was frightened. There was terror in his heart about the overpowering force of the waves. Question number 4 है, how did Douglas initially feel when he went to YMCA pool? What made him feel comfortable? Unpleasant memories of the past were revived and childish fears were stirred in a little while. He gathered confidence. He paddled with his new water wings. He watched the other boys and tried to imitate them. He did so 2 or 3 times on different days. He began to feel comfortable. What 2 things did Douglas dislike to do? Which one did he care to do and why? Douglas had to walk naked into the pool and show his very thin legs. Secondly, he was fearful about going in alone, so he sat on the side of the pool to wait for others. But he had to go into water as one cannot learn swimming without going into वाटर। सो थैंक यू। अगला चैप्टर नंबर 4 आएगा। इसके पहले के हमने चारों चैप्टर करा चुके हैं, इसके पहले के आप पूरे चैप्टर देख लीजिएगा। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।